Hello student, how are you? I'm Arun sir. Welcome to my channel Tuition Expert. Also welcome to the NEET crash course series. Student, if you watch my video regularly and follow my class attentively, then I can assure you that you must crack the NEET exam confidently with a good rank. Now today's class is on the some vector problems, important vector problems. Now let's start about the class. The first problem is if a cross b equal to 0 and a dot b equal to minus ab, here a and b are magnitude of vector a and b. A and b are magnitude of vector a b. Then angle between a and b is, four options are given. Which one is correct? A cross b equal to 0 and a dot b equal to minus ab. The angle between a and b is which one? So suppose let's two vector a and b. Here solution of 1. Solution of 1. Suppose a and b are two vectors. Suppose this is vector a, this is vector b. Okay, now a cross b equal to 0 means that is a is parallel to b. A cross b equal to 0 means now a cross b equal to 0. If we take magnitude, then it is ab sin theta. So a and b is not 0, so sin theta equal to 0. That means theta equal to 0 degree or pi by 180 degree or 180 degree. 0 degree or 180. That is two vectors a and b either parallel or in opposite direction. Now which one we get? Which one we take, parallel or opposite? Now for this, the another option is given that a dot b equal to minus ab. This is given. So a dot b means a b cos theta equal to minus ab. Now ab cancel. So cos theta equal to minus 1, which that is cos pi for 180, that is theta equal to pi. So angle between a and b should be pi. This is the answer. Okay. First a cross b equal to 0 means a is parallel to b or a is just opposite of b. That is theta equal to 0, maybe 0 or theta may be pi. Now which one is correct? Now for this, another condition is a dot b equal to minus ab. So ab cos theta equal to minus ab. If we cancel from this, cos theta equal to minus 1, that is cos pi, that is theta equal to pi. So option is three vectors satisfy the relation a dot b equal to 0 and a dot c equal to 0. Then a is parallel to b, c, b dot c and b cross c. Which option is correct? Three vectors satisfy the relation a dot b equal to 0 and a dot c equal to 0. Then a is parallel to b, c, b dot c or b cross. Which one is correct? A is perpendicular to both b and c because a given a dot b equal to 0 and a dot c equal to 0. So if we take b and c in one plane, if we take b and c in one plane, suppose this is a plane, in this plane b and c lies. So what is b cross c? B cross c will be in this direction. B cross c, we know b cross c which is perpendicular to both b and c. B cross c is perpendicular to both b and c. Okay, the vector a is parallel to b cross c. So if we take the vector a along this direction, if we take the vector along this direction, this that is parallel to b cross c, then a is perpendicular to b, also a is perpendicular to c. If the two vector is perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. So dot product is 0 means a is perpendicular to b. They are given a is perpendicular to b and also a is perpendicular to c. A is perpendicular to b and a is, so if we take the vector a along the vector b cross c along the, then b, because b cross c we know is perpendicular to b and c, so a is perpendicular to b and c. So we must take A is parallel to B cross C. That is, option is this. What is the projection of 3i plus 4k on the z axis? This is the question. What is the projection of 3i plus 4k on the z axis? The formula is projection of vector A on B, what? A dot B by mod B. This is the formula. So here one vector A is 3i plus 4k, another vector on z axis. So z axis we take unit vector along z axis is k vector. So the formula is A dot B, that is 3i plus 4k dot B means k vector divided by magnitude of B, that is this, which is equal to 3i dot k 0, so k dot k equal to 1, that is 4 by 1, that is 4. So answer is 4. Here we have to take the unit vector along the z axis is k vector. So here B equal to k vector. So if we apply this formula, then we get the projection. Main vector theory class discussed in another video. You can watch these videos, then you get the concept clearly. The minimum number of vectors of unequal magnitude requires to produce a zero resultant is 2, 3, 4 or more than 4. The minimum number of vectors of unequal magnitude required to produce a zero resultant is coplanar vector. Minimum number means we record if we consider the 3 coplanar vector, then A, B, the resultant of A, B may in this direction, this is resultant of A plus B, it may be, and another vector if we take just opposite of this, magnitude equal but direction is opposite, then the addition of this and this may be 0. So answer is here 3. Minimum number of vectors of unequal magnitude, if it is given that equal magnitude, then the answer will be 2, because equal magnitude 2 vectors cancel each other. If these and these are equal, then minimum number required is 2. But here given unequal magnitude means that is we have to resultant A and B, suppose a value A plus B, then another vector C should be taken to neutralize this. If unequal magnitude, that is if A and B unequal magnitude means, suppose here we A take in opposite direction, suppose D the opposite direction but unequal magnitude, so they cannot produce the zero resultant, because here suppose A equal to 10 unit, B equal to 3 unit, so 10 minus 3, that is 7 unit. So we have to consider another vector 7. Suppose this is magnitude 10 unit, 10, this is magnitude 3 unit, so we have to apply another vector 7, so that resultant is 0. So we required 3 vectors to produce 0 as it is unequal magnitude. Number of non-coplanar lying in different planes vector required whose sum is 0 is which one? Minimum number of non-coplanar vector, that is non-coplanar vector, suppose I vector, J vector and K vector, 3 non-coplanar vector lies in different planes I, J, K. Now if we sum, this cannot be 0, so we require another vector. If we consider another vector, now this may be 0, so if we take this is vector A, B, C, so this must be another vector D, this must be another vector, but I plus J plus K is not equal to A, B or C, so D is another vector. So if we add a plus b plus c plus d, then they equal to 0. So we require 4 vector. So the minimum number of non-coplanar lying in different planes vector required whose sum is 0 is answer 4. Okay, a b c, suppose we take 3 non-coplanar vector ijk, another vector, so d should be taken such that resultant is 0. So minimum number of vector required is 4. Minimum number of vector is required is 4. Okay, next question. Next question is the minimum number of vector required whose sum is 0 is minimum number of vector required here. Unequal magnitude, equal magnitude, not. So we take two equal magnitude but just in opposite direction. If we take this and the vector, magnitude of A and magnitude of B equal but in opposite direction, so the two vector produce the 0 resultant. So answer is here 2. If A minus B, magnitude of A minus B equal to 1, the value of this, where A and B are 2 unit vectors. So here the options are not given. Just what is the method of this problem? A minus B equal to 1, magnitude of A minus B equal to 1, and A or B are 2 unit vectors given. So equal to 1, that is, now we don't know the angle between A and B. This is angle theta. So first we find the angle theta. What is the formula of this? This formula will be 1 square plus 1 square, okay, minus 2 into 1 into 1 cos theta, which is equal to 1. So this is the formula of 2 minus 2 cos theta equal to 1, that is 1. Okay, now 2 cos theta equal to 1, that is half, that is theta equal to 60 degree. We get theta equal to 60 degree. So angle between A and B is 60 degree. Now if we 2a plus 3b, so 2a is this vector, 2a is this vector, and 3b, suppose this is 3b is this vector. So angle between 2a and 3b remains same. Angle between 2a and 3b remain theta. So we can apply this, means root over, formula is magnitude of this equal to what? 2a magnitude equal to 2, 3b magnitude equal to 3. So the formula is 2 square plus 3 square plus 2 into 2ab cos theta, because angle between this and this also theta. So we get cos theta equal to half, put here, we get the result. So this is the result. So understand this. First from this formula we get theta equal to this, and angle between 2a and 3b will be same, because A is along 2a and 3b is along b. So angle between A and 2a and 3b remains same, theta. So we apply the formula cos theta. Now we take this angle theta is also here. So formula here apply is we apply this formula. Okay, so this magnitude is 2 and this magnitude is 3. Now apply this formula. If a unit vector represented by this, the value of c is equal to what? Now we know unit vector means, if A is a unit vector, then magnitude of A equal to 1. This is the formula. So magnitude, what is the formula of magnitude? This formula is So from this we get C equal to, we get the result. From this we get C equal to. Next problem is which of the following pair of forces will never give a resultant force of 2 Newton. This is next question. Which of the following pairs of force will never give a resultant force of 2 Newton? So solution becomes, if two force, suppose F1 and F2, the resultant of this F1 plus F2 always less than equal to F1 plus F2 equal to F1 minus F2. So resultant, the maximum value of the resultant is this and minimum value of the resultant is this. Now take magnitude. Resultant force of 2 Newton. Their resultant value is 2 Newton. So if two force F1 F2 we take, so we count here 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 4 and 2 minus 2 0. So this 2 Newton lies between 4 and 0. This is the resultant. So 2 lies between 4 and 0. So this is satisfied. And if you consider this 2 Newton, 2 less than 1 plus 1 2 and greater than 1 minus 1 0. So this is also satisfied. And C 1 plus 3, 2 less than equal to 1 plus 3 4 greater than equal to 3 minus 1 2. So this is also satisfied. And if we take 1 plus 4, then 2 less than equal to 1 plus 4 is 5. So this is T, okay. But if we subtract 4 minus 1 3, so this cannot satisfied. This cannot satisfied. So this is the option. This is the option. This, which of the following? So 2 Newton cannot be the resultant of this and this, because here maximum value 4 plus 1 5, 2 less than 5, okay, but minimum value 4 minus 1 3. So 2 not less than 2 greater than, not greater than equal to 3. So this pair of force cannot give the resultant of 2 Newton. We apply this formula, okay. Maximum value will be 5 and minimum value will be 3. Here minimum value will be 3, gives 3, but 2 Newton is below the 3. So this is the correct option. Next option, next problem. Vector sum of two forces of 10 Newton and 6 Newton cannot be 4, 8. So here we easily get this problem is like the previous problem. This problem like the previous problems. Here two force 6 Newton and 10 Newton. So F1 plus F2, that is 16 Newton, and F1 minus F2 equal to 10 minus 6 4 Newton. So vector sum of two forces cannot be. So this force does not lie between this and this, and another this three force lies between this and this, but this does not lie between this and this. So this is the answer. Cannot be this. Minimum here, minimum resultant is 4 Newton, but here 2 Newton given. So this is the answer. Cannot be this. So this cannot be the resultant. Now next question. Next question. If vectors A and B, are such that this and this, then magnitude of A minus B may be this. Which results are correct? If A plus B equal to mod A equal to mod B, so we apply the formula mod A plus B equal to root over A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. This is equal to A equal to B. Now if B equal to A put here, what we get? A square plus 2A square cos theta equal to A. Now squaring both sides equal to A square. Now if take common A square, we get, so A square cancel, we get cos theta equal to 1 minus 2 minus 1 half. So theta equal to 120 degree, because minus half equal to cos 120 degree. So answer is so theta equal to 120 degree. Now we find the mod A minus B equal to root over A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. So this equal to A square plus A square Okay, a square plus a square minus 2a square cos theta. What is the value of cos theta? Cos theta equal to minus half. So cos theta equal to minus half. So what is the result? 2 cancel. Root over 3a. So this is the answer. Root over 3a. Dot is given. This is which option is correct? So solution becomes now a1 a2 are two non-collinear unit vector. So non-collinear unit vector. Suppose this is a and a2. Angle between this is theta. Unit vector. So this equal to 1. Magnitude equal to 1. Now from this we get theta, because what is the result of this? 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 1 cos theta equal to root 3, that is 2 plus 2 cos theta equal to 3, that is 2 cos theta equal to 3 minus 2 1 cos theta equal to half. Cos theta equal to half. Now next if we multiply here, a1 dot to a1 means 2 into 1, a1 dot a2 means what? 1 into 1 into cos theta. a1 dot a2 means what? a1 a2 means 1 because magnitude of a1 a2 are 1. So 1 cos, angle between two vector a1 a2 is theta. So we write here cos theta minus 2 a1 a2 means same 1 into cos theta minus a2 dot a2 means 1. So this is the answer. Now put minus cos theta. So 2 minus 1, this and this minus cos theta. Now minus cos theta equal to minus half. So half. So this is the answer, half. So this is the answer. Answer is half. Of equal magnitude have a resultant equal to either of them, then the angle between them will be what? Two vectors of equal magnitude. So if A and B are two vector, angle B theta. So given mod A equal to mod B, that is A equal to B given. Now two vectors equal have a resultant of A plus B given is equal to either of them, that is A plus B, and resultant of A plus B means this equal to A. Now write the formula of this. A. So write the formula of this A. So this equal to, if we put B equal to A here, we get A square. So from this we get cos theta equal to 1 minus 2 minus this, so theta equal to 120 degree. So answer is 120 degree. Now the next problem is the resultant of two forces, 3P and 2P are, if the first forces is doubled, then the resultant is also doubled. The angle between the two forces is this. What? So solution becomes here, the resultant of two forces is R. So R equal to, we write here 3P square plus 2P whole square plus 2 into 3P into 2P into cos theta, where theta is angle between the two forces 3P and 2P. Now if the first force is doubled, then the resultant is also doubled. Now if the first force, that is 3P is doubled, that is 6P, and the resultant also doubled. So now R becomes 2R and 3P becomes 6P. Second force remain constant. Angle also constant. So we get the two result. Now if we divide this by this, then if we divide this by this, so we get, suppose this is 1, this is 2. So if we divide 2 divided by 1, then we get 2 equal to root over here 36 4 40p square plus here 24 p square cos theta divided by means 9p square 4 13p square plus 12p square cos theta. So we get this result. Now just 4 equal to and p square common, common, so this will be 40 plus 24 cos theta divided by 13 plus 12 cos theta. We cancel p square from numerator and denominator and squaring both sides, so we get 40 minus 52 minus 12, so cos theta equal to minus half, that is theta equal to 120 degree. So answer is 120 degree. Answer become 120 degree. Answer is 120 degree. 120 degree. Next problem is if A and B are two vectors, then the value of A plus B cross A minus B, here cross is given, cross product is which one? So the solution becomes this solution A plus B cross, so just so A cross A, we know A cross A equal to 0 because A is sine 0, angle between same vector is 0, so A into sine 0, that is 0, and so A cross A equal to 0 minus A cross B, then plus B cross A, and then minus B cross B equal to 0. So what is the result? Result is, if we take minus A cross B, we know minus A cross B equal to B cross A, so the answer become 2B cross A. So this is the answer, 2B cross A. Minus A cross B equal to B cross A, opposite, because the component of vector A equal to this along the vector I plus j is which one? The component of vector A along the vector this. This is question is the component vector of vector A along the vector this. Suppose this is vector A, whose value is, 2i plus 3j, and another vector this, which is I plus j. Now the component of this vector along this vector, that is this component of the vector along this vector, suppose this is I plus j, and component of the vector along this vector is this. What is this? The formula is A, suppose this is B, formula is A dot B by mod B. This is the magnitude of the component, that is just value is this, but we have to take in vector form, so we have to write this vector along this direction, so we have to type the unit vector along B. Unit vector along B means this, so this is the result, A dot B by mod B into B vector. So this is the answer. Now put here, what is A? A is this dot B is this by mod B square, that is root over 2 magnitude of 1 plus 1 square, and vector B. Just put here, so we get the result 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1, 2 plus 3, 5, and root over 2 square means 2 I plus j. So 5 by 2 I plus j, this is the answer. Resultant of two forces, one double, the other in magnitude, is perpendicular to the smaller of the two forces. I draw the diagram of this problem here. The resultant of two forces, one double the other. Suppose if you draw the resultant like this way, then we get, suppose this is A vector, this is B vector, and giving vector B is equal to double of other. This is given, and the resultant of B and A is perpendicular to small one. So this is the diagram of this problem. The resultant of two forces, one double the other, is magnitude is perpendicular to the smaller of the two force, the angle between the two force is what? Resultant of two force, A and B are two force. Magnitude of this vector is double of this, and resultant is perpendicular to small one. This is small one. This is 90 degree. So what is the angle? That is, now we have, if we measure this angle, then we can write this angle, total angle between A and B will be theta plus 90 degree. Now we just measure the angle theta. So magnitude of B equal to 2A, that is B equal to 2A, we get. Now this is parallel to this, so this is the side A and this is the B, side B. Magnitude of the side is B, magnitude of the side is A. Now what is the angle theta? Sin theta equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse, so A by B. Now B equal to 2A, so this is half, that is theta equal to 30 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. Now the answer will be 90 plus 30, that is 120 degree. So this is the answer. The angle between the vectors A and B is theta. The value of the product B cross A dot A is equal to what? The solution becomes here. Suppose to vector A and B, angle between this is theta. So what is the A cross B? A cross B equal to this. This is A cross B. Now A cross B is perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. A cross B is perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. A and B lies in this plane. This is the plane A. This is the plane, and A cross B is normal to the plane A cross B. So now dot A. So A cross B is perpendicular to vector A and also vector B. So we know if two vector is perpendicular, suppose C vector, this is C vector. C is perpendicular to A vector. That is C dot A equal to 0. This vector dot this vector equal to 0. So C means A cross B dot A equal to 0. So the answer is equal to 0. The answer will be 0, not this value. Answer will be 0 because A cross B and A is perpendicular, so their dot product is 0. The next problem is, what is the next problem? The next problem is the sum of magnitudes of two forces acting at a point is 60 Newton. If their resultant is normal to the smaller force and has a magnitude of 8 Newton, then the forces are which? I draw the diagram of this problem here. Suppose the sum of magnitude of two forces acting at a point is 60 Newtons. Suppose these are two forces, F1 and F2. These are two forces. This is the resultant of the two forces. This force has magnitude 8 Newton. This is the force. Now if F1 and F2, this also F1, then the forces are switched. Now given that sum of the magnitude of two forces means, that is magnitude F1 and F2, whose sum is 16 Newton. Actually this sum of magnitude of F1 and F2 means, sum of magnitude of F1 and F2 means this is not vector sum, this is the sum of magnitude. Now resultant has the value of 8 Newton, so this is perpendicular. Now what is the relation between F1 F2 8? F1 F2 8. So these are the magnitude actually. So here formula is from Pythagoras theorem. From Pythagoras theorem we can write F1 square equal to 8 square plus F2 square. Now F1 equal to 16 minus F2. So cancel each other, cancel. So we get from this 32 F2 equal to 256 minus 64, that is 2 9 192. So F2 equal to by 32, which is equal to 6. So F2 equal to 6 and F1 equal to 10. This is the answer. C plus D, then select the correct alternative. D is parallel to C cross C plus D. A is perpendicular to C. Component of C along A equal to component of D along A, and component of C along A equal to minus component of D along A. Giving A cross solution of this problem, A cross B equal to C plus D. So if we take A and B in one plane, suppose this is A and this is B, so A cross B direction is this, A cross B equal to this. Now A cross B, that is NC plus D. So we get C plus D is perpendicular to both A and B. C plus D is perpendicular to both A and B. So we get right. So we can write C plus D is perpendicular to A and B. C plus D dot, this is along A dot A equal to 0, because C plus D and A cross B equal. So C plus D is perpendicular to A, that is C plus D dot A equal to 0. So C dot A equal to equal to minus D dot A. Okay, C dot A equal to minus D dot A. From this result we can write. Now so what is C dot A? C dot A means C into A cos theta, C into A cos theta minus D into A cos theta. So this is this we called the component of C along A, component of C along A equal to minus component of D along A. So this is the correct answer. This is the correct answer. And 2, 3, 4 and x-axis. This is x-axis, y-axis, and this is z-axis. So if we take a point P here, 2, 3, 4, and the distance between the point 2, 3, 4 means x is 2, this is 2, this is 2, this is 3 unit, and 4 means so this is 4 unit, this is 2 unit, and this is 3 unit. Now what is the distance from the x-axis to the point? Distance will be this. So from the figure it is given that this is perpendicular to this. So answer is, suppose this point is A, so P A square equal to, suppose this point is B or C, P A square equal to AB square plus BB square. So AB equal to C square plus BC square, PB equal to 4 square. So this is 25, that is PA equal to 5. So answer will be 5 unit. So this is the diagram and solution is this. And next problem is what? The xy plane is the boundary between two transparent media. Refractive index of Z greater than equal to √2 and refractive index of Z less than equal to √3. A ray of light in Z greater than equal to 0 given by vector this is incident on the plane of separation. The unit vector in the direction of the refracted ray. That is, you have to find the refracted ray vector. So solution is this. A diagram, suppose this is xy plane. Now this is normal line. Suppose this is normal line, and so this is xy plane and this is z axis. Xy plane is this. Xy plane is this. This is greater than equal to z. This medium, and this medium is less than equal to j. Here refractive index equal to √2. Here refractive index equal to √3. Okay. Now the area of vector A is incident on the plane. So this reflected ray is √3i. So this and this is √3, and this component is 1, such that total vector is √3i minus k. We take minus k along negative this direction, vertically downward, minus k vertically downward. So this vector is incident ray vector. Now we have to take this vector. Now what is this? Now first we find this angle and this angle equal. Now from the refracted equation we get this angle. Now first find this angle. What is this angle? We know sin. If this angle is theta, sin tan theta. This figure we get tan theta equal to perpendicular. This is perpendicular. This is base. Perpendicular equal to root 3 and base equal to 1. This is root 3. This is 1. Perpendicular base root 3 1. So theta equal to 60 degree. So we get this angle is 60 degree. Now if this angle is r, then from Snell's law we get sin I by sin r equal to mu of 2, that is mu 2 by mu 1, which is equal to mu 2. What is mu 2? Mu 2 equal to this root 3 by root 2. Now sin r equal to sin 60 degree root 3 by 2 into this. That is root 3 sin r equal to root 2 sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. So we get root 3 cancel, sin r equal to 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2, that is sin r equal to 1 by root 2. So r equal to 45 degree. Now this angle is 45 degree. Now what is this unit and this unit? So unit vector along this equal to, suppose unit vector, that is if we take the magnitude is 1, so this component will be 1 cos 45 degree and this component will be 1 sin 45 degree. So this is along x axis, so this, and this is along negative axis minus k. So answer becomes I minus k by root 2. I minus k by root 2. So this is the answer, I minus k root 2. Suppose unit vector along this, suppose take this vector is 1. So the component along this is 1 cos 45 degree and it is along the negative z axis, so minus k, and a component of this is 1 sin 45 degree. This is along the I vector, so this vector will be this plus this, that is this. Student, this is the end of the class today. To get more such type of video and to continue the NEET crash course, subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.